Looking to become an entrepreneur in the blockchain space? We talk about the tools and platforms to get you there. So today I'm reviewing Kleros. Kleros offers a dispute resolution platform, blockchain-based, that can integrate into your platform, just like Stripe would integrate into a shopping cart. This is really useful if you're dreaming up a blockchain platform that involves people interacting with other people. They like to have disputes. More specifically, it's a crowdsourced, blockchain-based, game theory incentivized arbitration system. It's the justice protocol. Weave that into a pickup line and get chicks. So far, they have settled 1,200 disputes, paid 380 ETH to jurors, and have 771 active jurors. This isn't a dream, baby. It's live and it's working. How can it integrate into your business? Say, for example, you have a blockchain business idea, and it's to build a decentralized service marketplace, a competitor to Fiverr, Upwork, freelance.com, but with all the benefits of decentralization. And actually, it's a great idea. Luckily, you're smart and you know that freelancers are going to have their disputes with their clients, so you offer Kleros arbitration option for their contracts. One day you have a web dev who's paid to create a website for a client, but the client doesn't like the result. This isn't a problem if they both agreed beforehand to settle their disputes with Kleros. The web dev just opens an arbitration case. This is where it gets interesting. Kleros starts by randomly selecting from a pool of jurors that specialize in tech disputes. Jurors distributed all over the world. In fact, you can sign up to be a juror. Then each side enters the evidence for their case. The web dev is all like, this looks really good, and the client's like, this looks rubbish. See, smart contracts are powerful, but they are not as good as humans in this type of situation. I mean, I can think of disputes that are even hard for humans to agree on. Is this man going to work or getting ready for work? Is this a saint or Zuckerberg? I don't know. I don't know the right answer, so certainly a smart contract cannot. The jurors inspect the evidence in this case, being the website and the contract, and they deliberate. Humans can do this. Bring on the humans. But you might be asking yourself, how do we know that these jurors will make the right decision? Wouldn't they just vote as quickly as possible, run off with the arbitration fees that they're earning? Also, some humans make it their life mission to troll the rest of us. Wouldn't they troll here? Not a chance. You can't thwart the justice protocol. Who watches the Watchmen? The game theory. If a juror does their research diligently and votes the clearest outcome, i.e. the vote that matches the majority, they get paid. It's important to understand that each juror has crypto staked, and if they vote against the majority, they are fined from their stake. I mean, they actually lose money if they don't vote with the majority. In this case, jurors voted that it was not a modern website. The money in escrow goes back to the client. Our sad developer turns his life around and becomes a smart contract developer, making bank from then on out. The proof of humanity platform democracy.earth is already using Kleros to resolve disputes. Proof of humanity is a big challenge for blockchain, and actually it's a big challenge for the world. Can you imagine if only real humans can vote in an election? To prove your humanity on democracy.earth, you must record a video of yourself, just like this.
I certify that I am a real human and that I am not already registered in this registry.
If anyone thinks it's a duplicate or fake, they activate dispute resolution through Kleros. Arbitration is useful for a huge array of businesses, though. If you watch my video on EtherRisk, you might be inspired to make your own decentralized insurance company, like Acre Africa. A customer thinks that they should get a payout, but the soil moisture oracle says no. Kleros. The company accidentally pays a claim because of a bug, and they want their money back. Kleros. It can work for proof of humanity, for insurance companies, for marketplaces. Maybe it could work for your blockchain business. And the world needs your decentralized business. It's really just seeing what businesses don't have a blockchain counterpart, but would really benefit from decentralization and building that. If you need help in the wild, wild west that is blockchain, stop by my website. Things to be aware of with Kleros. It's not based on the law. You could bring someone to court because they didn't give you their half of the bank robbery. I could see that evolving. Maybe start with a natural law framework. If you are harming others intentionally, you can't bring your case in. I don't know. This is not simple stuff. It needs to evolve. Also, it's not acceptable in arbitration clauses legally. Give it time, maybe the world will get there. In conclusion, this is great for simple disputes, so maybe it fits into your product. Keep an eye on it, as I bet they will evolve to handle larger and larger cases as time goes by. Maybe the highest courts in the world will be fully decentralized by the year 3000. I make videos on all types of emerging blockchain tools, so subscribe and let's build great things.